Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be making a peekaboo top in this color with a 2.5 mm hook. Start with a foundation chain of 19 inches. Stretch it on your tape rule so you have 19 inches. Skip to HDC in the third stitch, HDC in each stitch for row 1. This is my first row, and before you proceed onto your second row, fold your project and mark the center with a stitch marker. Move on to row 2, chain 1, HDC in the same stitch as chain 1, HDC, continue to HDC till you get to this point. Count 9 stitches backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and insert another stitch marker. So HDC up to this point, chain 7, skip 6 stitches and DC in the 7th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and HDC in the 7th stitch. HDC again in the next stitch. Chain 7 again. Skip 6 stitches and HDC in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Work HDC for the rest of the row. For the third row, chain 1 HDC till you get to this point. Chain 7, HDC on top of the HDC, the first HDC in the middle, HDC in the next stitch. Chain 7 again, then move on to the next stitch, HDC stitch. Work HDC for the remaining row. Repeat row 3 for 2 more rows to make it 5 rows. For the 6th row, after making your HDCs, you chain 3 instead of 7 this time around. Chain 3 and you gather these 3 chains together and HDC. Chain 3 again, HDC in the chain in the next 2 stitches. Repeat the same thing here for this part. Chain 3, gather these 3 chains together and DC, then chain 3, HDC in the next HDC stitches. Complete HDC for the rest of the row. This is what you should have by the end of row 5. Repeat this pattern for the next 4 rows to make it 9 rows. Start your decrease from row 10. Chain 1, HDC. Without completing, move to the next stitch, and then you have 6 loops on your crochet hook. Pull through all at once for your 2 together HDC decrease. So continue working 1 HDC, your pattern, repeat your pattern, so I've gotten to this point where I start the star pattern, chain 7, HDC in the HDC stitches, chain 7 again, HDC, for the remaining row till you have 2 stitches left where you make your other decrease. So we are decreasing here and here. We are decreasing at both ends. We are decreasing at both left and right side. Make your decrease, 2 together HDC decrease. Turn your work, chain 1, in the same space HDC. Without completing, you move to the next stitch and make your decrease. Continue working your pattern. I'm about to end row 11, so you also make your decrease. So that's how you continue working your pattern. So keep repeating this pattern as well as your decrease till you have few stitches left, few stitches of HDC left. So I did 29 rows in total, and I have 7 of this Peekaboo pattern. So what next is I'm taping the body with orange yarn by making HDCs around the body. So I'm going to attach my new yarn and work HDCs in the stitches. So I'm going to do 2 HDC followed by 1 HDC followed by 2 HDC followed by 1 HDC. So keep working that way till you get to this point. So to get to this point, then work 1 HDCs all the way up to this point. Then continue with your 2 HDC, 1 HDC, 2 HDC all the way up. And when you get here, I'll show you. When we get here, I'll show you what to do. So work 1 HDC, work 1 HDC in each chains, followed by 1 HDC in this DC stitch and 1 HDC in the next 3 stitches. In the next 2 stitches, now continue working 1 HDC in each stitch until you get here. Work 1 HDCs and slip stitch to join the rounds together. Join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Now this is what you have. Switch to 3.5 mm hook and make your adjustable rope. Same space, make a chain long enough to pass across the back, so you can chain up to 250 chains or 300. So weave in your ends and trim excess yarn. After weaving in your ends and trimming, turn your work to the back and pass the rope across the top like so. So adjust this part so you can easily put it on. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next. Bye.